Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a web scraping script on LinkedIn. The main goal is to go through this folder, go through this file, and search for all of these keywords and find all of the hashtags related to this one. For example, this one. If you just search it here without any entering and anything else, it has three other hashtags. We're going to find all the hashtags for all these keywords, and after that we are going to find the followers for each hashtag. For example, this one, for the first one we are going to find this hashtag and the follower number for this hashtag. Okay, the first phase, the first step is go to this file which has 3000, as you can see it here. It has 3000, almost 3000 keywords, and see how many hashtags does it have. Okay, here is my web scraper. I'm going to show you right now. It opens the LinkedIn with my with one of my LinkedIn accounts. Then here I'm searching for just first 30 keywords. As you can see here, it types here and saves all of these hashtags. It goes through okay, it's 10, 11, 12. After it finishes, it saves all the keywords, all the hashtags that it found on a CSV, on an arranged CSV that I'm going to show you in a minute. Okay, 22, 23, and this is just a test. I went through all 30,000 keywords. Okay, it's done. Okay, where is it? Not this one, yeah. As you can see it here, let me just expand it a little bit. For the first one, it found three hashtags. The first one is the main term, and after that these are the related hashtags to the first one. After that, this one it had